Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the PhD admission notification from one of the government college. So it is a very good opportunity because all the selected candidates will get the fellowship here. So let us see the details regarding this one. Before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is a PhD admission program for the academic year 2021 to 22 in the Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, Bhopal. So this notification released on March 7, 2021, and the applications are invited for the semester commencing from August 2021. So please check out the disciplines here. So if you are not belongs to these disciplines, then please share this information or video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these disciplines. Okay. So biological sciences, chemical engineering, chemistry, earth and environmental sciences, economic sciences, electrical engineering and computer science, humanities and social sciences. So English, philosophy and linguistics, mathematics and physics. So to these departments, the details of qualification, eligibility and application form are available in the official website. I will show you the official website guys. So it is the official website of this college. You may check down. Okay, so IISER Bhopal, and if you belongs to the biological sciences, then it is application form here. Actually you need not to pay anything, it seems, because if you click here it directly goes to the Google form. Okay, so the Google form is completely free to fill up. So total the 11 pages are there. You have to fill up the each and every page. Okay, and to check the details of the eligibility and the criteria, all these things, so click on that department whatever you belongs to. Okay, just like I clicked here. Okay, if you belongs to the electrical engineering and computer science, then click on that one. So they will show you the different areas in which the research work is going on, and the eligibility is mentioned here. So the minimum qualification, students with MTech or ME or MS in the particular disciplines. Okay, and the students with the MSc or MS in physics, mathematics, fine. So with the UGC NET or Inspire, and the relaxation of 5% will be there in the post graduation for the SC, ST and PD candidates. Okay, and all communication with candidates will be done only by the email, and you have to check for the website regularly. Okay, and the candidates who are appearing or about to appear for the final examinations of the qualifying degree program are also eligible to apply to this PhD program. And coming to the selection procedure, shortlisted candidates will be called for the interview. That means there is no written test for this one. So the date of interview will be communicated to the shortlisted candidates by email, and the same will be available on the institute website. And the TA will be paid to the SC, ST and PD candidates appearing for the interview as per the Government of India norms. And coming to the important dates, April 5th, 2021 is the last date for receiving the online applications, and July 29th the registration for the PhD program, and other relevant dates will be announced in the due course of time. And the contact information is also provided here. So if you are having any queries regarding this one, okay, then you may be contacted. Queries will be entertained on the above mentioned email only. So here the email ID is mentioned, and here it is mentioned. Okay, so if you are having any queries, then you may put up your query to this mail ID. So like that for each and every department. Okay, for example physics, the age limit reservation, okay, everything is mentioned, so you may check down guys. And here the age limit is preferably not more than the 28 years. Okay, and the relaxation is provided for the OBC 3 years and 5 years for the SC, ST, PD and the female applicants. And coming to the fellowship, all selected candidates will be eligible to receive the JRF fellowship as per the funding agency norms. Okay, so all the selected candidates will get the fellowship guys. So it is a wonderful opportunity. Utilize this one. And the links regarding this notification I will provide at the end of this video, so please check down. Okay, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is the India's largest learning platform, and It is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGCNET candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGCNET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGCNET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide